How about that, ladies and gentlemen? Knife edge right on departure, all the way down the runway. That is Mr. Buck Roetman. He is demonstrating all the amazing capabilities of this aircraft and his amazing skills. You know, he's been flying for over 45 years. He's flown more than 166 different types of airplanes, from Cubs to corporate jets. He's flown over 20,000 hours. You're about to see what he translates that to. Ladies and gentlemen, from the right, smoke on. Here he is, Buck Roetman. Watch here, ladies and gentlemen, as he turns around high and to your right, pulls the nose into the air, keeps pulling back on the stick. He's being thrown into the seat at 3 to 4 times the force of gravity. Back on the down line to show center, he rolls the aircraft, lets it build up speed. Now watch when he gets to the middle. He's going to go straight up. Let's see what he does. Right there, as the energy bleeds off, that's the torque of the engine that is rotating the aircraft. That is Buck Roetman's signature torque roll, his nod to history, and the amazing Charlie Hillard, who invented that maneuver in the National Aerobatic Competition back in the 80s. You see that knife edge climb with a snap roll on top, as only Buck Roetman can do. Buck told me earlier he was going to tumble the airplane end over end, and there it is, ladies and gentlemen, the Buck Roetman tumble. Watch this as he lets the energy bleed off high to the top, rolls it over on its back, continues to roll to the right as he accelerates back towards the middle. Pilots call this building up smash. He's got a lot of smash going. Watch what he does with all of this energy when he gets right in front of you. Disaster right at the top of that loop. He did a snap roll. That's what's known as an avalanche. Watch now, high and to the left. Hesitation rolls to the left as you see the wind blowing. Parachutes by Paraphernalia for emergency and sport parachutes. Wheeling Engineering for lighting and emergency vehicles. Twin aircraft engines, the engine he bets his life on, and lift for helmets, shoes, and more for the pilot. Ladies and gentlemen, downright, up low, here is Buck Roetman. Wow, how about that? Showing you the amazing slow roll then fast roll capabilities.